Hello everyone, welcome to this massive open online course on Sociology of Development. My name is Sambit Malik. I have been teaching Sociology of Development for more than a decade now at the Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. I teach Sociology of Science, Sociology of Development, sociological perspectives on modernity, philosophical foundations of social research and so on at the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati. Specifically concerned with Sociology of Development, this is going to be 30-hour course under SWAYAM portal spanning over 12 weeks. In the first week, you will find that we are going to, in the first week in terms of 2 lectures, we are going to look at historical location of the idea of development within quote, development not simply as an economic construct, but also as a social, political, cultural and ideological construct. Okay? That is why we must try to situate the notion of development historically, sociologically. Okay? In the second week, in terms of 3 lectures, we are going to discuss end of colonialism, rise of nationalism in the third world, I mean underdeveloped countries, less developed countries and the desire for development, precisely because in the wake of decolonization in the aftermath of the Second World War, how several countries including India, our own country, okay, we tried to have a desire for development. We try to look at different countries to make development possible in our own country. Okay? In the third week, we are going to discuss classical sociology and the notions of social change, ideas of evolution and progress through the works of Durkheim, Maine, Marx and others. This is big because theoretically speaking it is very important. In the fourth week and in the fifth week as well as in the sixth week, we are going to discuss modernization theory through the works of Hamza Alavi, Theodor Sanin and others, and then we will discuss critiques of modernization theory, how modernization theory can be examined through critical variable approaches, dichotomous approaches and a critique of the dichotomous approaches to modernization theory. Okay? There is an ideological critique, there is an empirical critique and there is a methodological or meta-theoretical critique. Okay? In the 8th week and in the 9th week, we are going to discuss dependency theory through the works of Blomstrom and Hetny, through the works of Andergunder Frank, and then we will also discuss the critiques of dependency theory. Okay? This is extremely important. And in the 11th week, we are going to discuss in terms of 3 lectures. This 11th week will devote, we are going to devote this 11th week for the limits to growth thesis by Meadows and her colleagues. Small is beautiful by F. Schumacher, how he could draw upon Gandhi's notion of self-reliance and so on. Gandhi's notion of Hind Swaraj and so on. And in the 12th week, we are going to, in terms of 3 lectures, we are going to cover globalization and development, post-development and so on through the works of Ivan Illich's Toward a History of Needs and then Franz J. Surman's Paradigms Lost, Paradigms Regained, Development Studies in the 21st Century. Okay, I hope there will be more and more enrollment for this course, because this course is extremely important for humanities and social sciences in general and social sciences in particular. Disciplines drawn from, within social sciences, if you look at sociology, economics, anthropology, political science, history, even literature, philosophy, archaeology, linguistics, their geography, their development studies as a whole, it's extremely important. I hope there will be more and more enrollment for this course, and so also there will be more and more registrations for the final examination. You will have weekly examinations for all 12 weeks, and 25% of the weightage will be given in the final grading, final score that you are going to have, and 75% weightage will be from your final examination. I am sure all of you are very bright students, you all will do well, provided you continuously, consistently you attend all the lectures. I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Thank you. Thanks to all of you.